Hello, and welcome to this episode of the Superintendent Spotlight. As we continue to share information on Bond Package 2022, today's topic is going to be on playgrounds and marquees. The importance of communication for CCISD, we continue to make it a priority to serve our students, our staff, and our families. So the marquee upgrade would be that these schools get digital electronic marquees. The nice thing is that you don't have to send anyone outside to get out there and update that message as fast as you can. They can do it all inside the building. Type it up, make it look nice, hit an enter button, and it's already on display for all your parents traveling around. This is our hope in Bond Package 2022 to upgrade these marquees for the purpose of communicating better with our families to current events that are happening. Not something that passed a couple weeks ago, but something that's current or something that's coming up in the future. The second part is that of playgrounds. As you know, playgrounds are a very, very important part of the day for our students and families, even on the weekends. We want to make sure that our playgrounds are modern and much safer. In an area where we live with a lot of moisture and salt in the air, it takes a lot of wear and tear on our equipment. So for this reason, we've built it into Bond 2022. To help campuses get more modern and more safer playgrounds across CCISD. For more information on our bond projects in 2022, please visit our district website at ccisd.us for all the information and details. We ask that you please remember those important dates, October 24th to November 4th for early voting, and then our actual election day on November 8th. We thank you for your support, and thank you for tuning in to the Superintendent Spotlight.